Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I will show you how to use just.me to import reviews to your Shopify store, and it will be a complete breakdown step by step video. Like adding real reviews is one of the easiest way to build trust and increase sales on your store, and with just.me it is super simple and free. So without any further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, we're landed in Shopify.com. So I already have an account, so I will click over here to the login. In fact, once I click over here, it will directly landed me onto the admin panel. So here you can see this is the admin panel. So before starting whole work, we are going to know about what actually is just.me. So just.me is one of the most popular Shopify product reviews apps. Let's search it into Google. Just.me, and let's see what actually it is. So here you can see we are where trust drives commerce. So this is the thing. Like it helps you to collect and display verified product reviews, then it helps you to import reviews from AliExpress or CSV files, and also it shows star rating on your product pages and Google search. Best of all, it has a forever free plan, perfect for new store. So I hope you understand what actually is just.me. So now how you can install just.me on Shopify. It is really easy and simple. You just need to come over to the setting. Once you click over here, then find out an option that call apps and sales channel. Just click over here in the middle, you will find out, and here you just need to be click to the Shopify app store. It is the actual and the main hero in this video. Like without Shopify app store, you are not allowed to install any apps for your users. So here you can see there is a couple of sections we have, that is popular with stores like you. So here as you can see it, so I'm going to search here judge, and let's hit enter, and here you can see this is the best one, just me product reviews app. You just need to be click over here install. Once you click over here, then it will redirect you to the new tab, and you just need to be click onto the install. Here you can see actually it, just click over here, and then eventually it will be installed here. So finally our just me reviews has been installed. Let's navigate it, and now I just need to be set up that whole thing to work perfectly with my website. Just I will click over start setup. Once I click over here, then it will tell me to enable app embedded. Just click to the enable app embedded. Once I click over here, then it will take a while, and here it will redirect us to edited plan, and you just need to be enable this one, and then actually you just need to click to the save. In fact, once you click over here, then your changes will be happen here. Here you can see app embedded perfectly. So you just need to be install this review widget also. Just click over here, and similarly here it will take a while, and then it will install here. So here you can see it already been done. So I am going to copy this one, and here let's click to the element, click to the add sections, click to the apps, and here eventually you can see all are installed perfectly. If you want to add any of them, you are allowed to add it here, apps. Then here you can see, just click to the apps, save, and here actually you will see that failed, try again later. Let's try it. So you just need to do whole things properly to install this thing. So here you can see you can continue it, skip this step. You can skip all this step if you feel it is skippable. Just skip it, and let's continue, just finish it. And here you can see it has been done. So here we have two options, like import reviews and explore just.me. Just click to the import reviews. Once I click over here, actually you can see there is an import review from CSV file or from the AliExpress. So I want to import it from AliExpress. So what should I need to do? You just need to be click on to the install app. Once I click over here, then here you just need to be provide just me apps installation, enter your shop domain, login, install this app. So let's paste our login address, like our website address, copy this one, paste it here, and click to the install, and here even actually it will be installed. So just click to the install, and here you can see we need to install this plugin right now. Once we've set up perfectly just.me, and here you can see that our just.me AliExpress has been installed. Then click to the panel, and we could not find any product. So before importing any just reviews, you just need to create an product over here. Let's create a simple product here. Canva Pro plan, then given price, then try upload an image. Just randomly we're creating this product. It is not related to any of them, so it is just a sample. So now I'm going to click on just meet AliExpress. So here you just need to click on open to just.me, and here we have this one. Just click to the import reviews. So you just need to paste your AliExpress URL over that place. So here let's go to the AliExpress. Okay, no, we don't want any. So here you can see it. So just me product, your import reviews will automatically appear in just me product reviews app. We highly recommend open app. Okay, let's try to open it. We just need to be set up perfectly so it would work perfect with our all things. So I'm going to click onto this one, and then click to the widget and try to install this one. And here actually you can see this is the thing, or got it. Just click to the save, and just come back to this panel and refresh this one, and eventually you can see it has been installed. So it is done. So now I just want to import this one. So here you just need to paste your AliExpress URL. Let's search for AliExpress here. Let's go to this one and copy randomly any product. I will just copy this one. Okay, not this one. So let's click this one, and I am going to copy this one. Come back to this one, this tab, paste here, and click to the import reviews. And here actually you can see that our view import progress. Just click over here. It will take time to import all the things, so we just need to be keep patience. Let's wait a bit. When it will be done, then it's a process AliExpress for importing reviews from AliExpress to Canva. Let's refresh this one. So the process is really easy, so I hope you can easily also do it, this one. So here you can see that Canva Pro. Let's go to our product page. Let's click to our store, refresh this one, and then click to the product. And here actually you can see our reviews has been imported in here. So if you want to import any product related to your product, you are allowed to do it with this plugin. As you can see how easy the process was. You just need, let me give you an recap. First of all, you just need to be install the justme.reviews. Once it's done, like you just need set up your widget and product, then you are ready to collect reviews from your authentic customer. So now you want to make your website further more great than actual. You just need to be install AliExpress to import reviews from AliExpress. So here you just need to click this one, search it just me AliExpress. You will get the apps in your Shopify app store. Here as you can see, this one is product reviews, and here just me.ali reviews importer. You just need to be install this one. Once you've done, now you can actually import any reviews over Shopify. So I think that was a simple video. I try my best to break down all these steps in once. I hope you love this video. If you think this video was helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again. Thanks for watching.